all, it's Lace with Home with Lace, and as you can see, I am in my backyard yet again. Just as I thought I was done for the summer, I thought that this would be a great opportunity to take all of the summer/fall gardening tools, outdoor equipment, and all that, and it came in just in time for the winter months to come. It has very fast shipping. It came in within 2 to 3 days upon ordering it. And I will say that it doesn't have a base or a bottom to it. So we had to build this platform. And here we are opening up the boxes. It comes in 4 boxes and they're labeled with a 1 through 4 on them. And here we are opening up. Everything is so organized. It comes with gloves, really detailed instructions, and then a parts list. And because there are so many steps and it's such a detailed instruction booklet, it does come with a QR code on the front, and that leads you to their YouTube site, and it has very detailed videos that take you step by step. There were a few times where we did have to reference the YouTube videos, and we got right back on track. The gloves that came in the box did run a little bit small. They fit me perfectly. They were a little bit big for me, so that worked out. But all the tips have like a cut resistant portion on it, which is something that you need when building this because the galvanized steel does get a little bit sharp. My husband was a trooper and wore them for a little bit, but he did have to switch to a larger pair of cut resistant gloves. To make things a little bit easier and to organize ourselves, we took everything out of every box, laid it out nicely into the categories that they went to. Each part was labeled nicely with numbers and letters on it. And then we began assembling. The assembly process was self-explanatory. I would suggest to have at least 2 people building. And in our case, we gathered the entire family. We had the boys getting all the little washers together for us while I held things together for my husband, and it made the process go a lot faster. We definitely took breaks, and so it took us about a weekend to construct the whole thing. And just like that, we were at our last step, creating the doors. It was just a few pieces together that held it together, but it was very sturdy, and you could just tell that it was going to hold all of the things safely inside of the shed. All in all, I am definitely surprised and happy about the construction of the 8x10 shed. It is very sturdy, and especially for the price point that it's at, I am super excited to get all of the yard tools in one spot that's not going to take up room in our garage. We're putting our coolers and our shovels and our power washer and even our snowblower, and there is still so much more room if we ever need to store anything else in there. We're loving this latch mechanism here where you can latch it, and then if you wanted to put a lock on it, you could. We probably will do that over the winter just so nothing gets in there, but it's pretty secure in our backyard, so we have that option. There's also these pull latches at the bottom and at the top that makes this door stationary. If you didn't want to use it like a French door, you could just use the single door option. But as you can see, there is so much room and potential. We could put shelving in here and really use all the vertical space. But for right now, we're just storing all of our tools that we're using for the summer that we're no longer sadly going to be using. The next time you're looking for your patio storage or shed storage option, head over to Patiowell to simplify your life and store your patio.